Happy birthday to you, shining star, shining star. May your dreams come true. No matter how far you light up the room with your radiant glow. Oh, the world is lucky to have you. Don't you know? You're kind, you're strong with a heart of gold. You brighten up lives to you we behold. Every step you take, catching everyone's eye. You're a beacon of love, let your spirit soar high. Your laughter is infectious, it fills the air with joy that's contagious. We all gladly share your presence.
50 birthday, Romeo. Yeah, God bless. Ingat ka dyan, palagi. Love ka namin. Oh, yun na.
Hello, my dear brother. 50 years ka na pala. Malapit ka nang maging senior. I wish you good health and more goals achieved sa buhay mo. At sana laging masaya at intact sa family. God bless you and more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, brother. And wish ko sana 50 ka na ngayon. Dagdagan pa na ng maraming taon. Ayan. Enjoy mo lang yung life mo. At kumain sa tamang oras, magpahinga. Ayan. And makakalimutan na mag-pray everyday. Ayan. Salamat din sa lahat. Ayan.
Birthday, Tito! Happy birthday, Kuya Romy.
Happy birthday, Diko. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Mag-iingat kayo dyan lagi. Sana lagi kang mag-aana sa trabaho mo. Salamat din sa mga tulong na iniabot mo sa amin. Maraming salamat sa mga pag-iingat ano mo sa bawat sa amin sa mga bata. Ikaw ang laging naming nahinga ng tulong. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Sana marami pang birthday ang dumating sa iyo.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Kuya Romy.
Happy birthday, Daddy Romy.
Happy 50 years of birthday, Tito Nino. Stay safe, God bless, and good health. Happy birthday ulit, and enjoy your day. We love you.
Happy birthday, Tito Romeo. More birthdays to come. God bless. Otanjobi Ome dito. Isang pagbati mula dito sa Japan.
Happy birthday sa pinakamabait at hindi lang mabait. Poging-pogi rin and the best tito in the world. And maraming salamat po sa lahat-lahat ng tulong at pagsuporta niyo po sa akin simula noon hanggang ngayon. And mas lalo ko pa pong pagbubutihin at pag-iigihin ang aking pag-aaral. And ang wish ko po sa inyo is good health and more blessings to come. And we love you and happy birthday po ulit.
Hello, Tito. Happy birthday po. Sana okay lang po kayo dyan. Miss na po namin kayo. And maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga binibigay niyo po sa amin. Palagi po kayong mag-iingat. Bye-bye, Tito.
Happiest birthday, Tito. I miss you so much po. I wish you all the love, happiness, and blessings. May this year brings you health. See you soon po. I love you.
Happy po, Tito Romeo. Ingat po kayo dyan.
Happy 50th birthday, Tito Romeo! Good health! God bless! We love you! Enjoy your day!
Hi, Daddy. I would like to greet you a happy 50th birthday. And I'm wishing you all the best. I'm wishing nothing but the best for you. And sana you enjoy your day. I'm so sorry if Like, hindi na ako gaano nakakatawag or nakaka-chat to you. But always remember that I really, really, really love you and I miss you. I hope you enjoy your day. Again, happy birthday, Daddy!
Happy birthday, Daddy. More birthdays to come, and I hope you'll get good health, and I hope that God will grant you happiness and blessings.
Happy birthday po, Daddy. I want to thank you po for everything you've done to me. Thank you po for being my second parent, kayo po ni Mami. I hope your day is filled with nothing but joy and happiness po. And I pray to God po na He continues to give you more blessings. Ingat po kayo always dyan sa Canada. And I hope to bond again with you soon. Again, happy birthday, Daddy. I miss you po.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Oh, happy birthday, Romeo. Sana'y malakas ka. Ingatan ka sana ng Panginoon. Salamat sa inyo.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.